Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I'm gonna show how to create parallax animation with using After Effects. Let's get started. So guys, welcome back, and we have image with separated layers, and I have generated this image with ChatGPT. Also I will share project files and you can get link on description below. So first one, select is all layers and let's click this turn on 3D layers. If you don't see this part, you can click toggle switch modes. And now let's create camera tool, right click, new and camera. I will use presets 50mm and OK. So also let's create new null object for orbit null. Let's choose this camera, right click, camera and create orbit null. And for move the anchor point center, hold Ctrl and double click pen behind icon. So in this time, let's create parallax. Go to view, let's choose view 2 and this view, let's choose here top like this. And this view active camera. So first one, choose this background and press P, move to back like this. And press S, change scale for full screen. Okay, and select this house, press P and move to back. Also press S, change scale. Okay, and choose this element 1. Let's move to left and press P, move to back and move to left. Press S, change scale. Okay, and select these birds. Let's hide for now. And select this G1. This is golden grass. And press P. Let's move to back. And press S, change scale. And move to left. Let's move to left like this. And move to down. So in this time, select the center. Let's zoom to here and move to left like this. Press P, move to back to house and press S, change scale. Let's put down. We can change scale a little bit to down like this. Okay. So in this time, select this left layer and move to here, press P and move to back. Let's see, this is grass. We can move to back a little bit and let's change scale. Okay, and layer left, move to back and press S, change scale and put here. We can change scale more and select this layer right, press P, also move to back. Okay, let's see, this is left side and right side and press S, change scale and put like this. So in this time, let's create test animation. Select this camera orbit null and press P. Let's create new passing keyframe. Go to 7 seconds and let's zoom to like this. And now we can fill parallax. Let's preview animation. Nice. So we can choose this right layer. Let's move to front and move to up. Also change scale. Let's see. Okay, that's good. And also select this left layer, press P, copy all position coordinates and select this bird main. Let's press P and paste all positions here. And let's move to up, press S, change scale and move to like this. We can change scale like this here. Okay, let's see. Nice. So in this time, let's select the scarecrow and press P, move to back like this and move to here, press S, change scale and move to down. Okay, and select this G1, Control D for duplicate. Let's move to right and move to front. Again, Control D for duplicate. I will create more duplicates like this and change scale. Let's see. Nice. And again, let's Control D for duplicate. Move to back and change scales. Again, Control D, move to back. Let's put here. Again, Control D, move to back. Okay, and let's see. And we can move it up. Okay, so let's see. Now we can fill this parallax. That's cool. And select this G654, Control D for duplicates, and move to left. Control D again. Move to up. And change scales. Okay, again, Control D for duplicates, and move to right. And let's choose this. Okay, that's good. So let's see. Okay, very nice. I love it. And now let's go to here, create new solid layer and use this color. Click OK. Move to behind of all of them layers like this. And let's use mask. Let's masking like this. Foreground layer. Okay, so let's create sky. Go to again layer, new and solid layer. Add name sky. Click OK. Move to behind of layers and go to FS Preset, search FA gradient ramp. Let's use gradient ramp for this sky. And the up color, let's choose like this. And this color, let's use this eyedropper. Okay, also let's try this color. So I will use cloud animation. Let's choose this video. Let's see. Okay. And do you want to learn how to create like this? You can watch this video. So let's back to main conversation and select this video, drag and drop into conversation. And now let's go to mod and choose here overlay. Also click toggle switch mods and turn on 3D layer and press P. Move to back. Change scale. Let's see. Okay, cool. And select this cloud. Let's move to right for full screen. And press S, change scale more for fit to screen like this. Okay, that's good. And let's animate this bird. Select this bird main. Go to solo. Also left layer, go to solo. And select this bird. Let's go to puppet pin tool. Add one puppet here. And one here. And also here. And two here. And the last one here. Let's see. Okay. And now press U for see puppet pin keys. And select this puppet pin. This is first puppet. And go to 1 second. We can click selection tool. And let's move it down like this. Okay, let's move it down more. And this point, let's move it up. And this. Okay, go to 2 seconds. Move to like this. And this move to down. And like this. Okay, go to here again. Move to down. And this. Let's preview. Okay, not bad. Select these keyframes and make it easy. and copy all keyframes. Let's paste for the last keyframe for loop animation, and the last keyframes moved right. Let's see. Okay, so with smooth keyframes it's so much better. So let's unsolo this layer, also this layer. Okay, so in this time let's add depth field. We can do this with camera, but for fast working I will use Gaussian blur. Let's go to FS Preset, search effect Gaussian blur, and use for this bird and this left side element and right side. So let's change blurriness like this. We can choose here quarter quality. Okay, let's write here 12 and this 12, also this. So let's create blurriness keyframe, and this create blurriness keyframe and right layer, and select these 3 layers and press E for see active keyframes. Okay, again let's open Gaussian blur and here. So go to 5 keyframes and we can change blurriness 0 and this 0 and this. Let's see. Okay, and in this time let's close these settings and select the scarecrow. Go to layer, new and adjustment layer, and use Gaussian blur for layer and change 12 or 20. Okay, and press T. Let's open opacity, change quality quarter, and select this right, press U for see keyframe, and in this time create opacity keyframe and go to here. Let's move to right and go to back, change 0. Nice. Let's see in full. Okay. Again, let's create opacity keyframe. Let's move to left and go to here, change 0. And go to back, create blurriness keyframe for right layer, go to last keyframe and change 12. Or let's change 5 or 7. Okay. And the left layer, press U, go to here, create blurriness keyframe, go to last keyframe, change 7. And bird, let's press E, open Gaussian blur, go to here, create blurriness keyframe, and the last keyframe, change 7. So guys, that's all, and thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, leave comments, and have a good day. Good luck.